Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and clearly I am back with another video for you guys. First and foremost, if this is your first time on my channel, I would really love for you to hit the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me if you join the MissRessaT family. Thank you so much in advance. What's up to all my old loves? Y'all so awesome. I love y'all so much. Thank you for coming and watch this video, and I hope you enjoy it. So, I did the red lips video for Valentine's Day, and that made me go through all of my lipsticks and find all my red lips, and I still missed one. I found one that I didn't include, but anywho, I have a lot of lipsticks. A lot of freaking lipsticks, and yeah. So, I asked if you guys wanted to see a pink lips on that video, and someone said yeah, and all I need is one person to love me. So I decided to go ahead and separate my lipsticks and divide them into nudes, pinks, burgundies, purples. Okay, so it's like I'll do pinks and purples, pinks and burgundy together because I don't have a lot of pinks. Bruh, clearly I have a type. This lip that I'm wearing right now is my type, okay? So this is really helpful for me in cleaning out my makeup collection. It's also good because I'm being able to show you guys different lips. I'm going to show you from the pinkest of the pink to the darkest of the burgundy, okay? Before we step over to the next color in the spectrum. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it's helpful for you. I do show you how to properly wear a pink lip. In my opinion, once again, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not MUA. I can look cute. That's my occupation, is looking cute. So, like I said, I show you how I blend the pinks, especially the really pink ones, how you can make them and be wearable for women of color. So, yeah, this is long enough. I'm going to go ahead and hop into the video. Like I said, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, we want to make sure we have some liners handy. That is the best way to blend out some of these bright pink ones. Here, this is like a bubblegum pink. I don't really have a name. It's from LA Colors. It's a lipstick and gloss duo that I got from my local Dollar Tree. Once you add just a standard brown to it and blend it out, then you have a cute lip. And yes, this is from Dollar Tree and LA Colors. So as you can see, like the inside looks a little messy, but yeah. The next color that I have is from NYC. This is in the color, it's called Violet Shine, but as you can see, it's pinkish to me. It's very beautiful. No liner needed. Next, from Wet n Wild, we have the color Mauve out of here. I don't see the mauve in this at all. It's very pink on me, as you can see. Besides brown, I love to use purple with my pinks. I think it's a great combination. As you can see, make sure you clean out those edges. That really helps when you're woman of color and putting that pink of a color on there. So for this one, I started off with a lighter color, and then for my liner, and it didn't work out, so I ended up going with a more orange brown. But this is Turkish Rose from True Matte. I don't know, True Matte, is this? Oh, Nika K, that's who makes this. So beautiful combination. That's how you make that work for you. Now this is the Maybelline Superstay matte inks. I really like this in the color Lover, and I use a mixture of brown and purple to get this one how I like. Now you can always put your liner on first. I don't know, sometimes I put my liner on last, but whatever. Moving into the colors that don't need liners at all here. This is from Wet n Wild. This is the color Dark Wine. Then from Nika K, I love their little dollar lipsticks. This is Burgundy Tint. Also from Nika K, this is Urban. This is so pretty, you guys. If you're not looking for matte and just like satin, get those dollar lipsticks, all right? So the next one, this is from Wet n Wild. This is Fuchsia with Blue Pearl. Beautiful. Now, my lips are so freaking stained. That one stained my lips so bad. So this is one I actually forgot I had. I still like going through my collections, called Bit of Berry. This is from Ulta. This is from LA Girl. No, LAC. What does that stand for? They're matte lipsticks. It looks good on here, but I think that's because I had some stains under that one. I don't know. That one comes off a little blotchy for me sometimes. I love this color here. This is from Ruby Kisses. This is the matte lipstick. This is in the color Beat Me. It's crazy because these are tinting my lips way more than the freaking red lipsticks that I did last time. All right, this is Bay. This is Bay. I absolutely love this color. I always get compliments when I wear this. This is from LA Girls. This is their matte in the color Backstage. Love it. Now I'm just showing you guys these on my hand here because I did a whole video for Mary Kay, so you can check out those on that video. I'll link it in the iCard to see all those pinks. Now this is my last one, you guys. I had to moisturize my lips because they were dead, but this is a new baby for me and a new fave. This is from Colored Rain in the color Mary. So absolutely gorgeous, kind of like Backstage with those gold flecks in it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said in the beginning, I hope it was helpful. If you're excited about seeing my new lips collection, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you really want to see that. And also my purple lips, because I love me a purple lip. Definitely comment down below and tell me what's your favorite lip color. So until next time, it's been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches!